Hello everyone, welcome to Jayakody YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can design a Facebook post using only Jeda AI. Okay, let me get into actually I don't need to get into the PC now. I'm on the PC. Okay, guys, actually first of all you have to go to go.jeda AI and then you can type something like this. Okay, let's see. Hmm. First, I need to say that Jeda AI got a new feature which has GPT 3.5 Turbo, GPT 4 Turbo, Cloud 3, Haiku. So Shifu Plus plan got all these things. So I'm going to click on this Cloud 3 Haiku, and then I'm going to ask to generate five codes for Facebook post about the loneliness. Okay, I'm going to say about loneliness. Okay, Lo- loneliness. Okay, let's see. I hope it's right. Okay, by the way, now I'm going to click on this button here. Oh, first of all, I need to select text option. Then you can see Claude 3H is still on it. You can change it as needed. Okay, and now I'm going to click on this one. Now just wait. No cuts. As currently generating content, please keep in mind. Okay, great. Now you got, actually I got, not you, I got the here 5 codes for a Facebook post about loneliness. The greatest loneliness is not to be comfortable with yourself, Mark Twain. Okay, now I need to generate something. Okay, I need to generate something using this one. Okay, first I'm going to select this, only this part, and Control C, then click on other side and then Control V. Here you can see the separated part here, right? Now I'm going to click on this and then I'm going to type slash and then I need to click on this art option here. Then you will be able to see it generates an art. Okay, it generates an art. Wait. I think it's here. Let's see. Okay, cool. Okay. The greatest loneliness is not to be comfortable with yourself, Mark Twain. By the way, great. Now I'm going to get this into where this one. And I can change the font color. Just click on this icon. Then you can click on this option here. And here you can resize. And also if you need, actually just think you need to add a add a background. Okay, add background behind the text. So you can go to this one, tools here, and then click on this rectangle and draw the rectangle here. Now just click on the select button and click on this and this one. Then you will be able to fill this with any color you need. Okay, just think you need this color and then you can fill that. Also if you need to remove the border, then you can click on this no color option. Now you can see now you can see what you got a color over there. Okay, let's adjust the color as needed and here and here. Okay, wait, actually I'm going to add this color for this one. Okay, this is the whole image, right? So I'm going to use this like this, and this one needs to be like this. Okay, let's see what we got more. Okay, you can change the font also. Great, that font better. And I'm going to change the color to black here. Not black, but this is better, right? Okay, cool. And here you got the code here. Now I think that's enough. Now I'm going to select whole image and the text with it, and then you can group it. Okay, you can click on this group option, and then you have to download. Okay, download by clicking on this button, and then just click on white background or transparent background, whether you choose anything, because you can download the whole image. That's all. I'm going to click on this white background and I'm going to upload it into my Facebook profile. Actually this is not a profile, by the way, it's a profile. by double clicking on this, and I'm going to double click on this option here. Yeah. Okay, I just group it, right? And I'm going to ungroup it. Now I can double click on this and copy the whole text. I'm going to paste the whole text here on Facebook, and now I'm going to click on this next button, and then I can choose my profiles where I want to post it, and then just post it. That's all, guys. This is just a demonstration that you can do something like this. I mean, no need to worry about, maybe you can design it using PowerPoint also. I will show you how you can do that. Just get the PowerPoint, and then where is the PowerPoint? Okay, come. Yeah, PowerPoint, where are you? I think it's still loading. Yeah, it's still loading. Okay, let's see. Okay, now loaded. And you can click on this blank presentation, and then you can click on this design option here, and you have to go to slide size and custom slide size. Here you can change the width by using maybe 2048 pixels, and also the height by using 2048 pixels. Just type pixels, then it will convert into the measurement unit, default measurement unit. That's all. And then click on this OK button and ensure fit. That's all. Here at home, actually you can click on this blank option here. Then now you got the blank canvas. Now I'm going to copy this and paste this. Oh wait, sorry. It's a mistake. Actually, you have to download this image. Click on this image, and then you can click on this white background option, and you can drag the whole image into this canvas. And now you can resize it. Okay, cool. Then I'm going to what? Wait, my bad. I'm going to copy the whole text, paste it, change the font color, change the font size, bold it, and here you can select any font. Actually, you can select any font you got on your PC. That's all. Like this, and insert shapes, and I'm going to insert this shape this time. Okay, and right click, send to back. Actually, yeah, send to back, but again I need to send the image back. And here you can click on this and shape format. Shape fill should be, yeah, the same color. Yeah, okay, but shape outline should be no outline. But here you need to right click on this and then go to format shape, and then fill, and here you can increase the transparency. Okay, increase the transparency, and you can click on this text, and then you can align it into the center. Okay, now great, right? Then after all, you have to click on this file option, and then not export, actually just click on save as, then browse, then you can click on this save as type. I'm going to use the desktop here, and then save as type, and then click on the JPG or PNG as needed. Okay, I'm going to use PNG here, and then click on save option, and also just this one. Now you can go to your desktop. Okay, I just saved on desktop, but wherever you just saved it, now you can go there. Okay, my computer is stuck. That's good. Wait. Sorry. Where? Okay, desktop, and here I got the post. You got it? Here I got the post. Let's see. Wow, so great, right? Now you can post it anywhere you need, maybe LinkedIn, maybe Facebook, or whatever thing. Actually, if you can continue with the consistency, then you will be able to reach more likes, followers, and everything. Okay, this is just a simple one, actually, that you can design something, you can add a quote or something like that. Maybe you can type anything you need, and you can generate any art. Okay, not like this, but you can generate any art, maybe about the loneliness. Like the greatest loneliness is not to be comfortable with yourself. So you can maybe you can have a boy and cat on this picture. Okay, so like that you can use any prompt and you can generate the art. That's all. So this is just a simple demonstration with also, actually I used cloud tree h here and cloud tree haiku, and also you can use cloud tree sonnet and GPT-4 turbo, and I got all access here. Now this is marvelous. Okay, I mean, Jedi, you got the best product in the AI world, and I hope you will be able to look into the future with this amazing AI tool as soon as possible. And also I think most of the jobs will be replaced by this tool soon.